Hello and welcome to this video on the PiXL apps, and in particular the Take a Test function within each of the subject apps. Take a Test has been designed to promote independent study. The tool is made up of a range of questions based on selected topics to help identify strengths and areas to develop within each subject. With our Maths app, we then have a range of resources to help with closing the gaps in a student's knowledge, but all are capable of reassessing students to check on the impact of any intervention. Within the Geography and History app, selecting Take a Test will bring up a range of different topics. Selecting any topic from the list, we can then see the different activities that could be used to assess our understanding of that topic. Sort it, true or false, match it, multiple choice, do it, and sequencing. Let's take a look at each one briefly. With Sort It, students are given a range of cards that they need to simply drag and drop into one of two categories. At the end of the sorting activity, students are shown the cards that they have correctly placed before moving on to the next sorting activity under the same topic. With True or False, students are given a question and the True or False buttons at the bottom of the screen. Selecting a button will reveal the answer before moving on to the next question. With Match It, students are given a statement or definition, and they need to identify the correct term. Selecting a term will instantly mark it before moving them on to the next question. With multiple choice, students are given a key question and 4 possible answers. When students select one of the options, the site will mark their response and allow them to progress on to the next question. Depending on the subject, there are up to 2 different Do It activities. The first will ask questions based on images and the second on evidence. Students will be shown the image or evidence and a follow-up question. Students will need to type in their answer before selecting Mark It to see their feedback and to move on to the next question. With sequencing, students are given up to 10 cards that they need to sort into a particular order. Students need to drag and drop the statements into the correct order, and they will be given instant feedback on their progress. Once all the cards have been correctly placed, they will be given the option to move on to the next question. At the end of any activity, students will be prompted to begin the task again. The order of the questions will change so that the questions that they got wrong in the last attempt will be shown first, followed by any questions that they haven't yet attempted before any questions if they've previously got right as part of good retrieval practice. The menu where students first selected their topics and activities has now also been updated with their feedback from their engagement. Through the use of RAG, students quickly get an overview of where they are at with each topic, and this will help drive them to focus on areas of development. For every question that a student attempts under Take a Test, they will earn 1 engagement point. There will be more information on this in my scoreboard video.